Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I want to show you how you can stake on the PEAKDEFI Launchpad. So first of all, why you need to stake Peak token. So here are two reasons. First, to participate or to get an allocation on the IDOs that will come. So here you see we have a 5-tier level system where you can see how much you need to stake a Peak token to get higher allocation. It starts from 10,000 Peak up to 1 million Peak that you need to stake to participate on the IDOs, especially on the tier 5, where you need to stake 1 million Peak token. You have additionally private sales conditions where you benefit from more benefits from more allocation of good projects. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is, of course, if you stake, you participate additionally, you get an additional reward of 20% fixed APY, so fixed 20% reward per year. And how you can stake now. So first of all, you need to connect your wallet, and also the staking working right now only on the Binance Smart Chain. So you click on Connect Wallet, and then your wallet is connected if it's a Binance Smart Chain wallet or BNB wallet. And and then you just go here to stake, and you see I already staked here with this wallet 10,000 Peak. But if you don't staked, then you will see here 0, so total value locked 0. And here you see the actual Peak price. Also, if you don't have any Peak token, I go back again, you can buy them easily on Bbox, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, HitBTC, or also other exchanges which are not listed here. But I recommend you to go to PancakeSwap and buy the Peak token there. So again, you go to stake, and then you just type how much Peak token you can swipe here how much Peak token you want, or you type directly here 10,000 Peak. Then first you will see here a button to approve. So first you need to click on approve, and then if your Peak staking is approved, then the button stake Peak appears, and then you click on stake Peak, you confirm the transaction, and that's it. So then you see the transaction is pending, and so after it's confirmed, then this Peak additionally appears here. You see now you see that 20,000 Peak are staked, and and that's it. And very important information is that we have also here penalty fees. So the penalty fees are up to 8 weeks. So if you withdraw within the first 2 weeks, you have penalties of 30%, within 4 weeks of 20%, within 6 weeks, I think 10%, and within 8 weeks, 5%, and all over 8 weeks is are 0%. So these are also the unstaking penalty fees that each launchpad has. And guys, that's it. So this was a short tutorial how to stake Peak token, and wish you good luck. And before I forgot, we also have right now a giveaway campaign where 100,000 Peak token will be distributed to the winners. And just go to win 100,000 Peak, then type your email. So for example, I just type now test 123. Then you need to confirm your email, and then you just need to follow us on Twitter, on Telegram, on our alert channel, YouTube. And the more you follow and the more you do, the more points you get, and the higher the chance is that you can be a winner of the Peak token. So I wish you good luck, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.